So today I'll be showing you how you can connect your computer with your router through LAN cable or Ethernet cable. So first of all, you will have to buy a Ethernet cable. Here I have purchased a Ethernet cable of 10 meters because I have a long distance to cover. So it's only 350 rupees, though it's written here is 600 something, 90. These Ethernet cables are both PC and Macintosh compatible, and it has a high rate data transfer speed, that is 1000 Mbps. When you purchase the Ethernet cable, just make sure both the ends are clipped so that you do not need to do the additional clipping, though it's normally both the ends are clipped. So here you can see. So let's connect the router with the computer or PC. So first of all, you need to find out you have 3 or 4 LAN ports in your router. So you need to plug in one of the LAN port. So once you plug into one of the LAN port of one end of the Ethernet cable, and just to make sure there is a click sound, that means that LAN port is secured. And once it is secured and properly locked, you need to connect another end of the LAN port into your computer LAN port. So here you can see the LAN port is here. So I'm just making sure that the end of the Ethernet cable is properly locked, and it will give you a click sound. And once that's done, you can see a green light. The green light will flicker, so that means that LAN port is properly connected with your router, so that the proper data transfer speed can be seen. Here you can see the green light is blinking, so that means it's working, and data is passed on from the router to the computer. So now let's see. You can see this is connected. It's showing the router is connected with the LAN. So yeah, so that means that it's working perfectly. Now let's test the speed. So we can check it from the speed test. Okala is the speed test. So let's make it a go, and let's see what is the data transfer speed. So the data transfer speed is now almost, you can see how fast the data transfer speed is. It's almost touching 70 and more. It's touching, yes, obviously it's going fast, almost touching 90, 89.94. so download speed. And you can see the upload speed is also almost touching 40, 50, 45, something like that. But yeah, upload speed is always lesser than the download speed. So that's it in today's tutorial. Thank you for watching.